glue. You're just going to empty out the thing of glue because it is the same type of glue as, it's like the same measurement as a cup, half a cup. So if it's like twice as big as this, or 8 fluid ounces, it's a cup. And this is 4 fluid doesn't really stay together well. So yeah, if you want your slime to be dyed, this is about the best part to put in your dye. I'm going to make it purple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a few drops of, and then a drop of purple, a few drops of purple in, to give it like a light purple. fluffy slimes. So yeah, they're all still pretty stretchy. And also check out my Etsy account, ETSY. I'm also selling them on there, and it is called Unicorn Crafts Shop. I'll put the name below in the description. Anyway, mix that in. I'll tell you. Oh, and also the shaving cream helps, harden it because it makes it sticky. And if you want to find my Instagram, you also have to click people because sometimes you click tags. Yeah. Don't be afraid to put lotion on because even though it may get a little bit yesterday, on the back of Borax, and then it'll get hard again. Just don't add too much Borax because then it'll. So as you can see, it's better, and I had finished adding lotion. I added a fair amount more, and now it's pretty stretchy. I'm probably gonna continue adding more. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm probably gonna be posting something at the beginning of me just putting this. I doubt it. You know I'm not, so I gotta say that. I hope you enjoyed the video and use this DIY your own slime and maybe to share it with friends and everybody. Oh, and one more thing. So my wrist, this part of my hand, has not touched the slime yet because sometimes the more you touch it, it actually develops to your hand and then it sticks to your hand. And see, it's not sticking. It comes right off, so that means that it is good and non-sticky. This is a good sign, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment on what I should do next, or what type of slime I should make next. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my friend's YouTube channel. Because when I get 101 subscribers, I'm going to giveaway both in real life and Utopia. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!